What's up, everybody? It's Dakota from One Up Bike Company, and I'm going to be showing you this bike frame that I'm going to be using to build a bike. Now, the first thing I want to show you is that it's not an integrated bike race. I don't know if the races, I don't know what size the races are, so this could be a race bike, for all I know. And we're probably going to change that. We're going to cut it off here. Probably put in a crow or something on here on both sides. And then this sprocket type thing right here, I don't know what the fuck it's called, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to put a 25/9 driver on it. And yeah, now I wanted to show you something else. The seat post itself, you know how a seat post is usually like this. This is a normal old ass seat post that you would put on a flatland bike. Well, this one doesn't fit in there. This does. So that's how it's gonna have to go. So I'm gonna have to buy a seat post this size. Now, I don't know if we're going to take off the chrome or not, so that's going to have to be a whole nother thing, but, yeah. So, the races right here, the bearing, they're not integrated either. See, I'll show you. See right there? Let me try and hold this up and point at the same time. Right here, you can see where it can come off. I think I could probably get something to knock it off. They're not integrated. Down this tube is kind of rusted, so we're gonna have to clean that out. Let some rust be gone. Again, that's gonna be a crow. And we're not going to use this stupid, what is it, no, BMX sprocket. No, we're not going to use that, because you have to put a bigger sprocket on it. The sprocket, it's going to probably be this size itself. Here, I'll grab my old ass fit sprocket, and just somewhere in here. Whoa, you piece of shit. I don't know where it's at the moment. It's probably in this drawer here, or my grandma threw it away because she doesn't like bike parts in the house. But it's got a 25/9, that's what I'm going to put on it. Right here, it's got the thing again on both sides. And on this side, it's got a one-piece crank on both sides and some crappy ass plastic pedals, which I'm not going to be using. Here we got the rim holders where the rim goes in. We're going to put stolen revolver rims in here. Down tube for the seat. We're going to put stolen revolver rims on both the front and back. Now, it comes in black. We're going to try and get it in white or chrome. Because what I want to do with this bike is I want to keep this chrome. Probably use some rust be gone there. And make it chrome and blue, or chrome in another color. And if I can't do that, then I want to do a whole like chrome. If chrome doesn't work, I want to do like something else. But here's essentially the bike. Just gotta take this shit off, take out the races there so I can put a mid-bottom bracket in it. Yes, a mid-bottom bracket will go into there. Then the races, I don't know what size they are. I think I'm gonna kind of modify If the racing races, I'm going to try and modify them so that I can turn them into BMX races, because a standard BMX fork, probably, if this is not the right kind of race, it won't go through here, so I'm going to have to get BMX races. So, and the serial number, we're going to put it down here. Whoops. Forgot I had dirt in it. I'm going to put it down here. But right now it's down on one of these. It's right here. What about it? Focus. Let's see. Well, it's right there, if you can kind of see it. Right here. Throughout the whole thing, it's right here. That's where the serial number is. I want to put that plus some custom numbers on it. Custom numbers / letters / whatever on it. The bike right now weighs about, I don't know. I'll have to take it and weigh it, so I will be right back. 1 second. We'll be right back. The frame itself weighs about 5 pounds with all this in it. So if I take this out, which has the normal like unsealed bearings in it, and all this crap off, it should only weigh so like 4 or right there. That's where the heaviest part is. So right now it weighs about 5 pounds. It feels like it weighs about 10, but it only weighs about 5. So if I take that out, put a bottom bracket in it, a mid BB in it, then it should be a little better. The races I already told you about. I'm going to take out the races here. Right here. This is what I'm worried about, because this metal don't seem like it's going to be sturdy enough to I'm going to have to cut out this metal and build a new one. Like, because the stolen revolver rim is a big bolt, this takes small bolt. So I'm going to have to like cut this off right here, or right here and here. Build a whole new one that looks like a standard like BMX. Probably just cut it off here and put a whole part from an old ass BMX frame. Like not old, but like one of the newer ones, like the from 2006 to 2010. Here, cut it off here, put it here. Have the small big bolts on each side, and because this frame this is a pretty light ass frame for what it is. It's most likely a race frame, which is not what I wanted, but it's what I got. So this is Dakota from One Up Bike Company. If you can see my face, I doubt you can. Let me take off my hat. And I'm out. Peace.